So I think there is a program since we announce the final program by Friday. But we cannot allow Israel constitution to libanjwe ngobhongwane ngento ephambana nomthethosisekelo. So I think we just want to confirm to co-administrators of Ghana, there should be no issues of contradictions when it comes to that. At some point, we will have to defeat this monster. We can defeat Inkatha. Instrument we can defeat Inkatha. That one we are not going to retreat when it comes to that. We must just have to manage this in the lane as we move along, but we are not going to retreat. So Mtaumbege, Solana nabantu abashayela iproperty yabo namhlanje. Leyo kuthiwa ki right, andangithukanga ngibonile kumabhodi kuthiwa mina nale ndoda.